Hello everyone, welcome my today's video where I am going to give you Evergreen KDP low content book niche plus with a free keyword. So if you are already publishing books on Amazon via the KDP platform, or you are new to this marketplace and looking to build an online business, then following as I will tell you what these niche are. Now, if you have not been to this channel before, then welcome. My name is Rumarai and I will do videos on how to write it, keep it and grow it. So we are going to Amazon KDP marketplace and search our evergreen product notary notary journal. So here the results only shows 2000 results. So obviously this is a uh, low competition, high profitable niche. And here you can see that is notary journal bestseller, 3 review already here, 1 review here, 282 review, and here 1 review, and here 42 review, and here 282 review. So here 682 review, and you can easily and now here the BSR rank is 38,879. So we can check the income rate of this book, 38879. So please wait a little bit. So network is slow now. 38879 book. Now calculate. Here per day sales 8 and per month sales 115. So obviously this is a profitable niche, and we can check out this book cover, and this is a book cover, and you can easily make this book, and this is a interior, name, address, email, phone number, notary logbook details, log start date, logbook numbers, and here notary log, full name, phone number, and this is a very easy interior to make it. You can make it this interior via Canva or Adobe Illustrator or Adobe InDesign, um, which is your best one. This is a back cover. So personally I think this is a really good niche to get into, and as I say, if you choose your keywords correctly, and you are able to rank for sub niche within this main niche. Okay, so you can now I want to show you how you can find out free keywords from notary journal logbook. Keyword 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 tool for Amazon. Keyword tool for Amazon free. Keyword dot io. keywordtool.io. This is a free software and you can use to find out profitable keyword using this site. So we can search notary journal, here 359 keywords, and this is highly profitable keywords, and you can copy this and put these 7 keywords. Here a lot of keywords you can find out, and you can choose best keyword from this. So if you have liked my videos, so please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share with more niche, more ideas about KDP low content business. So thank you so much. Thank you all.